Hello, my name is Raul Corredera Haener. I'm Senior Director for Manufacturing and Operations in Systemair and the President of Eurovent. And I'm here because I would like to tell you 3 reasons why you should join to this amazing industry. But first of all, I would like to share with you also a personal story. And that was when I joined this sector in 2008, and I told that to a friend of mine. And he told me then, yeah, welcome to our sector where you come in, but you never come out. I was scared when I heard this statement, but now I can say that I understand the reasons and they're positive. So the first reason I would like to tell you why you should join is because it's a long-term business. Our world is changing. Global warming is a reality. The temperature differences are increasing, and refrigeration and cooling are absolutely needed, and we wouldn't understand our world now in a different way. We can find refrigeration and cooling everywhere in our daily life. And that's why this demand, as it is increasing more and more, this technology will stay with us forever. The second reason is that we need to contribute for a more sustainable world. It is a fact that cooling and refrigeration are an important part of our energy consumption. And we cannot be part of this problem. We need to take social and moral obligation to make a change on this trend. They are existing technologies to be much more sustainable in the market. And those technologies, they need to be further developed, but also implemented in our sector. So that's why we need you with your fresh mind. The third reason is that this sector is cool. And I will tell you why. First of all, they're very nice people, open people, friendly, but also the technologies that you are going to work with are very much, there is a big variation of technologies, what it makes this business very amazing. You can have traditional mechanical electronics, but you can also have a fluid dynamics, thermodynamics. You will find the fourth industrial revolution really hitting in a positive way our industry with big data, connectivity. You find that also in our production processes, but also in all our equipments to monitor them and integrate them in building management systems. So this sector is cool, and it's cool because you don't need to move and search for another sector because the opportunities are here. And I have seen many colleagues that have been starting in one position and have moved to another, from production to R&D, R&D to sales, etc. And this makes it attractive. And we from Eurovent, we would like to welcome you in our sector, and I hope to see you soon in this industry.